gorgeous squad. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gigi. I got some stuff. So I got another $10 from Honey to spend on Amazon. You can choose from other places, but $10 doesn't go as far on other sites as it does on Amazon, so I just choose Amazon as I know I'm going to be able to get something for the nail channel, which is what we all know I really care about. So I picked these foils. There are lots of little boxes that I could have choose from, this kind, that all were about the same price as these. But you know, you know what you see what you're going to get. Those are the only ones you're gonna get, and I'm running a nail channel here, so I want as much variety as possible. Now these sheets are not gonna be that long, so it's not like you're gonna get a ton of sets out of every sheet, but we're not trying to do a ton of sets here. We're trying to do cute, interesting nails that you wanna see and that I wanna create. And so I decided 600 designs was probably better than like 10 designs, right? Not that I don't love these. I love these. These are, and this kind of thing is super, wow, words, guys, words. This is versatile. This is gonna be able to be used in a lot of different designs because it's not really a design. They're just those really pretty oil slick sort of things. And I love them. They're so pretty. Let me show you one nail that I did last night just playing around. Look at that with the matte and the shiny. And it's green with that, one of those on top. So yeah, it's super versatile. We're gonna get a ton of use out of those. But I thought we'd get even more use out of something like this. Look at that, you guys. Guys, come on. Tell me that you don't want that on your nails. Tell me you don't, okay? Because I know you do. I know you do. So let's go ahead and crack some of this open. I'm gonna try to slide it out. And you know I'm never getting back in here. I'm gonna have to get, I have some little manila envelopes. I'm gonna use that to store it in right now. For now, until I find another situation. So look, and that's sheer, you guys. Look at that. You could put that on a white background. Wow, wow, guys. You certainly don't want to put it on a blue one because that would ruin the butterflies. But I think like a yellow or yellow or like maybe white background would be really pretty. We can't go through all these. Like I said, there's 600, but let's just look at a few. I have never seen a foil this light colored before. Guys, I hope this is reading on camera. I'm straining to see, but I can't see. I mean, in the camera, I can see that with my eyes, of course. Oh, look at this one, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is so beautiful. I think I need that on at least an accent nail for myself. So pretty. Lots of florals. I'm going to say tons of florals in here. Oh. And then look at this really pretty scroll work. And this would look good on almost any color nail. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm feeling like I'm not upset with my purchase. Okay, this is a little disappointing how that JS is in there. I wonder what that's about. But this is like old-timey newspaper, maybe? Oh, no. I think it's passport stamps. You guys let me know what you think it is. Okay, this is disappointing. I could live without the JS in the middle, but this is gorgeous. That says love, be mine, style. This will be pretty for Valentine's Day, you guys. Anyway, let's not try to do one at a time. Oh, look at these. These pretty paint marbles. I would call them like paint marbles. Those are gorgeous. You get a few of those as well. Oh, wow. Yeah, you get a few of those. That is really nice. What the actual F is this? Oh, wow. I said F. Guys, I said F. I guess if you can't handle the letter F, I am not your channel. Because occasionally things don't slip out. It looks like it's tiger striped, but with some, like maybe lotus blooms on there or something. We've got some animal print in here. Yeah, I think that's definitely then some tiger action. Look at, this is another version of that one. Ah, look at how, what the Betsey Johnson. What the Betsey Johnson is this? Also a little Lisa Frankie. I think Betsey Johnson and Lisa Frank are long lost sisters or something. We have just a plain silvery gray and a couple of other full sheet colors, which are pretty awesome. Look at that, shells and pearls. The no clue what, but really pretty. Really pretty. Some more marbles, some more full sheet colors, some more animal prints, more florals. Oh, guys, guys, guys. This one, oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful that is. And this one, and that one. Oh, guys, guys. Wow, squad, these are so fun. Look at how bright that is. Oh, and look, just full on flowers you can cut out. Oh, this is fantastic, guys. Wow, look at that one. Look at this. That is so cool. Okay, let's just kind of straighten these out a little. For reference, guys, the long skin, these long ones that aren't folded, this is what you want to look for on Amazon if you're looking for it. Here's the information on this bag. So I'm probably just going to slip these back in this bigger bag. So I'm going to hang on to that because I don't think I'll get them back into this bag. Especially when it's got the stickiness on there. That stickiness always grabs. Give me a thumbs up for sticky grabbing. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. Oh, it looks like these are individually wrapped little packages. So it looks like maybe we've got themes here. I'm not positive. Okay, we've got some more of those painty kind of things that we had over here, but a little different. Look at this striped goodness. This calls to me, so let's, partially because, you know, gray and purple are my favorite colors. Let's check it out. Let's see what we've got in here. Looks like maybe it's all metallics. Okay, now for reference, the sheets are pretty similar in size. Just for reference. Okay, yeah, these are a lot of metallics and glitters and shines. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look. What the foil, guys. We are gonna have, I don't need to buy any more foils for a long, long time. We have got the foils we need right now. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Let's set that there. All right, I do not want to open every one of these. So let's pick one. Let's pick this one because it's calling my brain. It's calling my brain. Okay, this one on the top, clearly I already love it. Look at that. That's gonna be so fun on like a blue background maybe. Oh, lots of these clear foils. Yes, lots of those. And then full foils, lots of florals in here, guys. Oh, and look at the butterflies. straight gorgeous butterflies. Look. What is that? 4 sheets of just plain butterflies you can clip out. Oh, look at that. Look at that lace. Oh my. And there's others as well. And even some black and white lace and some black lace. Okay. Guys, not upset with this purchase at all. Like, so excited. So excited. You know we got to swatch one, right? You know we got to swatch one. Guys, I forgot to pause the video I was watching when I recorded this part, so I'm just doing a quick voiceover. I'm just applying this pretty green marbled foil to this green nail and burnishing it in, and now you check this out. Okay guys, it's time for the reveal. Ah! Look at that! The only places it didn't come off is where it was folded a little, but that's because it's a rounded surface and it really just lines up anyway. So, totally excited about this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me just slap a little top coat on this bad boy. Let's really reveal it in its true glory. Really pretty. I have to say, I'm so pleased with this. All right, guys, here we are with our new foil collection. Oh my God, you guys. I've always been a fan of the foils that I have, but they've been limited up until now. Look at all of the choices we have, all the things we're going to be able to do together with these. I'm really looking forward to some fun. I love the water marble of this. It's really pretty. I've got so many ideas for these, and so I can see so many nails in my future. All right, guys, this is how the nail looks after she came out of the lamp. Tell me that's not gorgeous. Look at that green but holographic shine, and it's kind of linear, right? It goes across in a line. I'm in love. I'm in love with this. I didn't even think I liked it that much until I put it on the nail. I just thought, oh, this one's good enough. No, gorgeous enough. Okay, guys, last week when we opened our nail mail, which, how awesome that we had nail mail 2 weeks in a row, I did mention that we were going to give away some iMethod Beauty Nail Foil Glue. And sadly for me, only one person entered that giveaway. Luckily for that person though, they're gonna get this bottle of nail foil glue. That person is Shell Laura, or Shelly Laura, C-H-E-L-E Laura. So congratulations. I am going to send you a message on Instagram and get your details, and then I'm going to send this out to you next week. So congratulations. Guys, there's going to be more giveaways on the channel, so be sure you're subscribed. And again, thank you so much for watching this video and for joining me on this little nail foil journey. I really am so excited I got these. Like, this is maybe the best 15 bucks I've spent in a really long time. I'm so excited with all of these. I can't wait to use some of them. Look forward to next week when we bust these out and play with them a little bit. And we will see you then, guys. Mwah! Bye-bye.